everyone. This is Sarah.
And I'm Jack. Welcome back.
Today is a special day.
Yes, we're talking about Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day is February 14th.
It's a day about love and friendship.
And today we will help you talk about it in English.
Simple English, easy English.
So please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us. Thank you.
Okay, Sarah, let's start. What is Valentine's Day?
Valentine's Day is a special day.
People celebrate love.
Yes, you can celebrate with your boyfriend or girlfriend.
Or with your husband or wife.
You can also celebrate with friends.
Or even with family.
In English, we say Happy Valentine's Day.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Good job. Say it again.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Perfect. You sound great.
Now, let's talk about feelings.
Yes. How do you feel on Valentine's Day?
Some people feel happy.
Some people feel excited.
Some people feel nervous.
And some people feel lonely.
All feelings are okay.
You can say, I feel happy.
Or I feel excited.
Let's practice. Repeat after me.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
Again.
I feel excited.
I feel excited.
Very good.
Sarah, how do you feel on Valentine's Day?
I feel happy. I like this day.
Why do you like it?
Because I like flowers. I like chocolate.
Nice. I feel relaxed.
Relaxed?
Yes, I don't worry. It's just a normal day for me.
That's okay. Everyone is different.
Exactly.
Now, let's learn some simple words.
Yes, Valentine's Day words.
First word, love.
Love is a strong feeling.
You love your family, you love your friends.
You can say, I love you.
Let's practice. Say it with me. I love you.
I love you. Beautiful.
Next word, heart.
The heart is a symbol of love.
You see hearts everywhere on Valentine's Day.
Red hearts, pink hearts.
You can say, I see hearts everywhere.
Try it. Repeat after me.
I see hearts everywhere.
I see hearts everywhere.
Good.
Next word, gift.
A gift is a present.
You give gifts on Valentine's Day.
You can give flowers.
You can give chocolate.
You can give cards.
Say it with us. I give a gift.
I give a gift.
Excellent.
Next word, rose.
A rose is a beautiful flower.
Red roses are very popular.
People give roses on Valentine's Day.
You can say, he gave me roses.
Or she gave me roses.
Practice with us.
He gave me roses.
One more time.
She gave me roses.
Perfect.
Next word, date.
A date is when two people go out together.
Like dinner or a movie.
You can say, I have a date tonight.
Repeat after me.
I have a date tonight.
I have a date tonight.
Very nice.
Last word, hug.
A hug is when you put your arms around someone.
It's warm and friendly.
You can say, give me a hug.
Try it.
Give me a hug.
Wonderful. Okay, now let's talk about what people do on Valentine's Day.
Yes, there are many things.
First, going to a restaurant.
Many people go out for dinner.
You can say, I'm going to a restaurant.
Or, we're going out for dinner.
Practice with me.
I'm going to a restaurant.
Again.
We're going out for dinner.
Good.
Next, buying flowers.
Flowers are very popular on Valentine's Day.
Roses, tulips, many kinds.
You can say, I bought flowers.
Say it with us.
I bought flowers.
Nice. Next, giving chocolate.
Chocolate is delicious.
Many people give chocolate on Valentine's Day.
You can say, I got chocolate.
Or, I gave chocolate.
Let's practice.
I got chocolate.
One more.
I gave chocolate.
Perfect.
Next, watching a romantic movie.
Some people stay home and watch movies.
You can say, I'm watching a movie.
Or we're watching a romantic movie.
Repeat after me.
I'm watching a movie.
Next, writing a card.
A Valentine's card is very sweet.
You write nice words like I love you or you're special.
You can say, I wrote a card.
Try it.
I wrote a card.
Excellent. Now let's talk about plans.
Yes, what are you doing on Valentine's Day?
This is a very common question.
You can answer many ways.
If you have plans, say, I'm going out.
Or, I have dinner plans.
If you don't have plans, say, I'm staying home.
Or, nothing special.
Both answers are good.
Let's practice asking and answering.
Okay, Jack, what are you doing on Valentine's Day?
I'm going to a restaurant.
That sounds nice.
Now I ask you, Sarah, what are you doing on Valentine's Day?
I'm staying home. I'm watching a movie.
Perfect.
See, it's easy.
Now you try at home.
Ask yourself, what am I doing on Valentine's Day?
Then answer out loud.
Practice makes perfect.
Okay, now let's do a role play.
Yes, this will be fun.
I am Mike. Sarah is Lisa.
We are friends at work.
Ready?
Ready.
Hi, Lisa. Happy Valentine's Day to you too.
Hi, Mike. Happy Valentine's Day to you too.
Do you have any plans tonight?
Yes, I'm going to a nice restaurant.
Oh, that's wonderful. With your boyfriend?
Yes, with my boyfriend. What about you?
I'm staying home. I'm cooking dinner.
You're cooking? That's very romantic.
I hope so. I'm making pasta.
That sounds delicious. Enjoy your evening.
Thank you. You too.
See, that was easy.
Simple questions, simple answers.
You can have conversations like this.
At work, at school, with friends.
Now, let's learn some useful phrases.
Yes, phrases you can really use.
First phrase, will you be my Valentine?
This is a sweet question.
You ask someone to be your Valentine.
It means be special to me on this day.
Say it with me. Will you be my Valentine?
Will you be my Valentine? Beautiful.
Next phrase, I love you.
This is the most important phrase.
You say this to people you love.
Family, friends, boyfriend, girlfriend.
Repeat after me.
I love you.
Perfect.
Next phrase, you're special to me.
This means you are important.
It's a warm, kind thing to say.
Try it.
You're special to me.
Very good.
Next phrase, thank you for the gift.
Use this when someone gives you something.
It's polite and kind. Say it with us.
Thank you for the gift.
Thank you for the gift.
Excellent.
Next phrase, let's go out for dinner.
This is how you suggest plans.
You can use this on Valentine's Day.
Or any day.
Practice together.
Let's go out for dinner.
Great job.
Now, let's talk about different ways to celebrate.
Yes, not everyone celebrates the same way.
Some people celebrate with a boyfriend or girlfriend,
They go to romantic places.
like restaurants, parks, or movies.
Some people celebrate with friends.
Yes, in some countries, friends give each other gifts.
You can say, I'm celebrating with my friends.
Try it.
I'm celebrating with my friends.
Good. Some people celebrate with family.
They give cards or chocolates to parents or children.
You can say, I'm celebrating with my family.
Repeat.
I'm celebrating with my family.
Nice.
And some people don't celebrate at all.
And that's okay too.
You can say, I don't celebrate Valentine's Day.
Say it with me.
I don't celebrate Valentine's Day.
Perfect. Everyone is different.
Now let's talk about feelings again.
Yes, because feelings are important.
If you feel happy, say, I feel happy today.
If you feel excited, say, I feel excited.
If you feel nervous, say, I feel nervous.
And if you feel lonely, that's okay too.
You can say, I feel lonely today.
Talking about feelings helps.
Let's practice all of them.
Repeat after me. I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I feel excited.
I feel excited.
I feel nervous.
I feel nervous.
I feel lonely.
I feel lonely.
Very good. You did great.
Remember, all feelings are normal.
Now let's do one more role play.
Yes, this time I am Anna, Jack is Tom.
We are boyfriend and girlfriend.
Ready?
Let's go.
Happy Valentine's Day, Sarah.
Happy Valentine's Day, Tom. I have something for you.
Really? What is it?
Here, it's chocolate, your favorite.
Wow, thank you so much. I have something for you too.
What is it?
These flowers. I hope you like them.
They're beautiful. I love roses.